Yo guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to yet another insanely cool video. I've got Amber Heard next to me, I have no idea why, but in today's video we're going to clean up the garage. I have some new, how do you call those things? A work table for the black closet. The lighting is already done. I'm gonna clean up the garage. I'm gonna fire up that big boy for no reason whatsoever. I'm gonna have some fun today. Now, as usual, the weather is kind of crappy, so yeah, the dirt bike track is not going to be used today. It's going to be an inside job. I have no idea who that guy was, but let's open up some cool boxes. Shouldn't have seen that. Now, I'm not sure if you guys remember the old closets we had. They were red. Well, actually, they are still red. I just painted them black. But, of course, as you guys know, I am a big Brabus fan. And yeah, Brabus is also red, black, and, well, mostly just black, but also red. So yeah, some of the interior parts are still red. And if you open the closet, it is still red. Now that's a little bit of a secret, so you guys do not know that. If you see the next videos, just imagine it is all black. Anyway, so we had our VS silver shiny table on there. So actually, these ones are the ones that were actually on the red closet. I always call it a closet. I'm not sure. How do you guys call it in your country? Like garage closet? Work shelf?
Garage shelf?
Closet? Work closets?
Garage work?
Shelves? I don't know. Anyway, so we had these silver ones installed. Really don't like them, but you know, we gotta have some shelves.
I got some shelves, anyway.
The new ones are way better. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. So yeah, we got a big massive block of wood. You gotta love some hardwood in the morning. This thing is like, but I mean, god dang. I like it. I like it a lot. Almost forgot to high-five the ladies today. Gotta love some liberty and hardwood in the morning. Now that is looking fine, doesn't it? Oh, oh yeah. Yeah, buddy. Lightweight buddy. Yeah, buddy. Lightweight buddy. Lightweight buddy. Ronnie Coleman, ladies and gentlemen. Ronnie Coleman. Sure as hell hope this fits. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now that is looking fine. Now the closets are from Craftmeister. I'm not sponsored by Craftmeister, so I painted the brands black. Yeah. If you want your brand to be in my video. Nah, I'm just kidding. I seriously couldn't care less. Way too crazy. I'm just gonna leave blue. There we go. No, blue. Blue, what the hell? Okay. Yeah, the lights are not working really good. I bought them at the Action, which is like a really cheap ass story guide in Belgium. Also bought some brake cleaner. Look at that, brake cleaner. Yeah, and this stuff, €1.80 is $1.80 for a bottle of brake cleaner. So yeah, I bought like a lot. I almost bought the whole shelf. Now the only issue I got now, I kind of forgot where I put the bolts to fix the tables in place. So yeah, this is going to be the new place to talk and discuss motorcycles with you guys. Also, well, there were some people that were asking like, have you done the Africa Twin? I was like, nah, I'm not really doing Honda. Someone else was like, have you done the new BMW GS? I was like, nah, I didn't really do that. So now I'm getting some connections with BMW as well, also Honda, some other adventure motorcycles. Now let me know in the comments what motorcycles you guys want me to review. And yeah, it's gonna be a crazy summer. Gonna be a lot of work. We gotta do some motorcycle riding, adventure motorcycle riding, also some Jimny camping, Suzuki Jimny camping. Gonna be lit. Lit? What the hell is lit? Lit is not really... God dang. I can make it red when I'm doing Hondas. I can make it orange when I'm doing KTMs. And blue when it's Huskies. Really like that Norden. God dang it. Now we got the bike in place. Everything is looking really good. Gonna have some good times this summer. For sure. Really want to thank you guys. We are already close to 20,000 subscribers. So really pleased. I'm really happy with that. Let me know in the comments if you want some motorcycle to be tested by me. BMWs, Africa Twins. Let me know in the comments. And no, I'm not doing 390cc KTMs. I'm not doing the Baby Dukes. I'm not doing those. Anyway, that's it for today's video. Really, thanks again for watching. See you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the like thumbie on this video. Really helps the video get a lot more traffic. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace. Drive safe.